If you're looking for the best IT certificates on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share my top professional certificate recommendations for beginners and explain which ones offer the best value for starting an IT career. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the discount link in the description. It can help you save on a Coursera Plus subscription, which is usually a much better value than purchasing individual learning programs. My number one recommendation is the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. It has a 4.8-star rating with more than 215,000 reviews and remains one of the best entry-level IT certificates on Coursera. You'll learn computer networking, operating systems, system administration, IT infrastructure, troubleshooting, network security, and IT automation through hands-on training. My second pick is the Microsoft IT Support Specialist Professional Certificate. This program focuses on computer hardware, cloud services, networking, Microsoft technologies, security controls, and technical support. It's an excellent choice if you're interested in supporting Microsoft environments or working in enterprise IT. My third recommendation is the IBM IT Support Professional Certificate. This certificate teaches technical support, cloud computing, hardware troubleshooting, IT service management, cloud platforms, and customer support skills that are valuable for entry-level IT roles. If you're interested in automation after learning the basics, the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate is another excellent next step. It teaches Python, cloud management, automation, CI/CD, configuration management, and other advanced IT skills that can help you move beyond traditional help desk roles. Now let's talk about the best value. Individual Coursera learning programs typically cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you want to complete multiple certificates in IT support, cybersecurity, cloud computing, Python, networking, or automation, buying them separately can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better investment. It gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. You can earn unlimited certificates while building skills across multiple technology fields. If you'd like to save on your subscription, check the discount link in the description before you enroll.